Okay, decided to come off the motorway. Couldn't handle it. It just bores me. Anyway, rain on the road, no rain. A and B roads are much better. If you can hear me, I'll just tell you a wee bit about my setup, what I have at the moment. This is for the first time I have plugged a mic from my helmet into the GoPro mic adapter out with the camera, as in the camera still faces me, the mic's in the lid. So it's also a mono mic, therefore I don't know how good the sound quality will be, but my voice is quite mono anyway, so if it does work, shouldn't make any difference. But set up for me in the rain, always Gore-Tex jacket, Gore-Tex glove, pin lock in the helmet. I have a mirror on my wrist, you can see it, that way I can see Millie. I have my visor cap, brilliant, Gore-Tex gloves, visor cap, it's got a wee sponge in it. You fill up the reservoir and you can get their own soap from it, and you just keep your visor clear, nice and clean, clear, wipe clean, clear. But the joys of the RT is the screen on this pretty much sends everything there in my head. As far as my phone is plugged into the ultimate add-ons case for the Samsung S9, and which is a shock proof, weather proof, but actually it's brilliant. Actually, I use it all the time, absolutely love it. Plug straight into my bike, so it keeps everything charged. The GoPro, I have a RAM mount plugged with a RAM adapter onto a ball mount, onto a GoPro extension stick, onto about 3 different contraptions. I also have the GoPro mic adapter, which is taped to one of the brackets. That's plugged into the GoPro, enabling the mic to plug into that, and hopefully you can hear me. On top of that, I have put my power bank into the glove box of this bike, and I've put a lead up to the mic adapter, because the good thing about it is there's a point where I can still charge the GoPro while using it. And what else? I have the GoPro remote control, which is velcroed onto the RAM mount adapter, which means the simplicity of it is brilliant. It means I could just stop and start recording anytime I like, and I can see without having to look in mirrors if I'm recording. So at the moment I'm at exactly 3 minutes 4 seconds, and I can just see that with glimpsing at the GoPro remote. So yeah, that's it. Looks like the rain's about to start coming on again as usual, but still on our way to Lake Districts, but we're just avoiding that motorway. Here's another thing, I don't know if I told you this the other day. GoPro 7, absolutely love it. That's what you're getting videoed on right, or that's what I'm getting videoed on right now, boom. And you never believe it, I never ever do I think of protecting the screens on my GoPros, and something told me to get a screen protector, and I did. And lo and behold, it came on Saturday, and Saturday morning I put it on before I went to Dog Lovers Show. Lo and behold, Saturday, my helmet, it was on my helmet. My helmet slipped off a small, one of the kind of crash barriers. Had my helmet sitting on. Helmet fell off it, and it landed in the GoPro and smashed the lens. Thankfully, I could not believe it, had the lens cover on. So, yep, tore it off, good as new underneath, straight home and ordered another couple just in case, and now they're already arrived and it's back on. So if you've got a GoPro, it's definitely worth investing a couple of quid on a wee lens cover, lens protector.